Welcome to Morgan's Motor Vehicles. Today we have a quick 90-second, hopefully, video on a lovely Honda CR-V 2.2 diesel automatic. Most importantly, presented in a wonderful white. It's called Premium White, and it has got the Aero dynamic pack. Front rear bumpers that are totally different to what you'd normally find on a CR-V. Big or larger 19-inch wheels that have been professionally refurbished by ourselves, and a rear spoiler. Lovely car. Come and have a look. It has done 106,000 miles from new. It has 12 service stamps in the book, including our own. Paul, just have a quick look inside there. Lovely condition throughout. Panoramic roof, leather seats and sat-nav are all as standard on the EX, which in my opinion is the best-selling model. It's what we sell most of. That's the rear. You do have some DVD units in there. We haven't tested them, but that is a bonus if you like that type of thing. Headphones are in there as well. And the best thing about CR-Vs, they're four-wheel drive when they want it to be. You can fit 2.4 children in the rear, 2 pets in the boot. These all pop out. And most importantly, you have a fantastic service history just there. Look, all your Honda stamps, 10 service stamps with Honda, and then 2 independent, including our own. And that is just a receipt there, or report on what we've done to the car. So we've done a transmission fluid, we've done a full service, tyres are good, pads are good, and it's got an MOT till next year. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like more information on this fantastic car or any of the others, please get in touch with us via phone, telephone, email, etc. Thanks for watching.